Alright, so my friend recently purchased a house and I am going to be filming inside of here and sharing with you guys an empty house tour. I know those are really fun to watch. I love watching them. And so you guys are going to see what it looks like empty, and then we are actually going to make some changes in this house. So you guys will see like the before and afters and the progress. So let's head on in. We're in the formal living room. Here's the walkway and the door that we just came in. And then this is going to be the formal living room and the dining room. As you can see, there are two pillars and this wall up here, and this is painted a black color, so we're going to change this as well as the curtains, I believe. And then here you can see another view of the dining room and the view of the living room, looking at it from the dining room. All right, and then walking into the dining room from the living room, you can get to the kitchen one of two ways, and here is the first way, and here is the kitchen. You can see the countertops are a really pretty black brown quartz. They also have some shine and shimmer to them. And then here is the kitchen. The kitchen looks out into the backyard. It's got a nice window with a nice little ledge. And there is Aiden and Annabelle.
Hello, I'm doing a draft.
And there's little Annabelle. So here's the kitchen from this point of view. It's a nice big kitchen, lots of cabinets. And then we have a pantry here. Again, it's this black color. So we're going to paint this eventually and brighten it up. And then here is what it looks like inside. And then there's also some more shelving right here. This, I don't know what this is, but it's like a black shimmery surface. And then the doors on these shelves are glass. Right behind me is like a little sitting area. We will be putting probably like a round table, small table right there. And then the backyard. The backyard is awesome. There's a couple layers of decking and then a pool. Really nice pool. And then there is what will be the family room. The family room has a lot of nice natural lighting, but we're going to paint the walls in here too, just to brighten it up. Right now they're a gray color, but they're kind of like a darker gray, and so my friend is thinking very light gray. And then there's this fireplace, an electric fireplace. And then continuing on with the main level, we have an office area. This is going to be the office. Let me open the windows. There you can see the backyard, really nice landscaping throughout the backyard. And something that I thought was really cool about this is the door. The door is like frosted glass, so you can kind of see like the imprint. It's semi-transparent, but it does have that like privacy aspect too. And then going out of this room, we have the laundry room. It's just a standard laundry room. It has the sink in here, which is really nice, some storage. And then out here is the garage. Walking out of the laundry room, there's this cute little nook area. I think this is going to be painted. Right now it's like this really bold red color, and next to that gray, it's a little bit too bold, I think. So we're going to paint that, and I'm not sure what should be put here. If you guys have any ideas or suggestions, let me know in the comment section and I will pass them on to my friend. And then here we are. This is the single bath. And then moving back to the left of that nook, there's the basement, which I will go down into in a few minutes. But yeah, so here we are again at the front door. There is a coat closet right in the front here. These doors need to be painted. Here are the stairs to the bedroom. And then here is the upstairs. So we're gonna head on up. Alright, so here we are upstairs, and here you can see like a quick overview. Right when you get up here, there is the master bedroom on the right hand side, and here is what this looks like. It's really nice in here. It's very big. It's got this really cute like sitting area. I love this little spot right in here. And then these have French doors. I do like the French doors, but the problem is that the bed will probably go right here, and with a headboard and a footboard, once these doors open up, it just doesn't leave much room between the edge of the door here and the bed. So what I suggested is that we do some barn doors in here. And I know there are more and more companies now that are offering barn doors that are stained to your color preference and that come with all of the hardware and the tracking. So that is definitely something that I'm hoping will be done here. You guys know how much I love the farmhouse looks and feels and vibes. So I'm hoping that we can incorporate as much of those vibes into this house, because there's so many different opportunities for that kind of stuff. So continuing on with the master bedroom, we have two closets on both sides that lead to the master bathroom. On the left hand side of the closet, it is a walk-in, and here you can see how that looks. Ton of space in here, which is awesome. And then there's also a light above this little hallway here. And then on this side of the closet, it's just a regular, like, extra spare closet. And then we can just walk right into the master bathroom, and here is how this looks. We have a toilet right over here, a standing shower, kind of connected to a really nice jacuzzi bath. Something that I really love about this house is all of the natural lighting that this house gets. Right now where we are, our house, it doesn't have too much natural lighting, and if we were to ever move, that is something that I would definitely look for in a house, because I feel like that's really important, just having a lot of light being able to flow through. I'm not sure if the walls will get painted in here. Right now they are like a darker gray, which I don't think is preferred, so we'll see exactly what gets done in here. And walking out here, we have another bedroom to the right, and it's like this really beautiful blue color. I don't know if this paint will be staying either, or what exactly is intended for this room. Here is the closet, and then walking out we have another room. This was obviously a little boy's room, just I would assume by the color choices. And then there's a closet area right there. And then moving right along, we have a very unique painted bathroom. So here you can see the walls. This is definitely a room that will get painted. Right now they're just this like black and white stripe, and it's just, you really have to have a preference for this type of bathroom, I would think. There's also a lot of red in here. So this bathroom I know will be getting a makeover or a facelift, but it is a full bath, the second full bath of the house. And then if you go across the hall, you can see part of the dining room down there, the front door, and then the formal living room. And then here is the fourth bedroom. There are double closets in this one. This one gets a ton of natural lighting, which I love. This is like a nice soft color gray. I do like how it pops with the white trimming and the white doors. And that is about all for the upstairs. So we're gonna head back on downstairs and check out the basement. Here is the stairs down to the basement. Nolly! No, I'm gonna have him come. Come on, Nolly. We brought my dog to check it out. One of our dogs. So here is the basement. It is all carpeted. I really love the space down here just because it's so big and it's a walkout basement. So
yeah, it's like the biggest room ever.
Yeah, Aiden likes it down here too. It's a walkout basement, so it's not underground, which I love. Matt really wanted a basement when choosing our house, but we have had some problems with our basement just with flooding. So if I could do it over again, I do love our house, but I would love to have a basement that just walks out. It's not underground. Besides not having to worry as much about water problems, this room obviously gets a lot of sunlight, which is awesome to have a basement that has that natural lighting flowing through. So this is a really nice light, an area for a pool table. There's also, is this a fireplace, eh? No. This is just, I don't know what this is, but there's a ledge. And then here is another one of those beams that need to get painted. There's just so much that can be done with a basement of this size, especially since there are like different areas. So I have no idea how this basement is going to look once everything gets put in and decorated. Yeah, there is a refrigerator down here and some cabinetry if you want to like host a party or a gathering. This is a really great spot for that kind of stuff. There's just so much room. So here is another bathroom. It is a full bathroom. Here you can see the shower, the toilet area, and the sink. This is a very unique design in here as well. I'm not sure if this will get changed. It's got like the sun and the moon theme going on throughout here. And then here's another area down here, and this you can tell was definitely like a workout area. Let me turn the light on. Just with the mirrors and the setup, this is a great spot for some workout equipment. This can definitely be like a little seating area. It's already got the TV mount right there. You can put a little couch here, and then we're back over here. I'm not sure, I think this is storage. Alright, so there's some storage space, and there's also like all of the fun utilities in there. Apparently the past owners liked the pops of black. And then in here, the electrical box. So nothing big in here. And another black door. And then there's just this area right here. So I really like this house. There's so much to it. I think there are some really fun, unique features. And then like you saw a little glimpse of the backyard from the kitchen. Here is how it looks from the basement. It's just super pretty, very landscaped. So that about does it for this house tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that I will be able to make plenty of videos showing the updates of this beautiful home and just seeing it transform from an empty house to a home. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.